The whole world is battling with coronavirus. Rwanda is no exception. As of today, USAID donates 100 portable critical care ventilators, as you can see, also accompanied with a training to doctors and nurses in Rwanda in deploying it effectively to patients with respiratory diseases. Let's take a look at what Ambassador Peter Vrooman has to say about this.
We are also working together to ensure medical personnel receive the necessary technical training to safely operate and maintain the devices. This equipment and training is valued at more than 1 billion Rwandan francs and builds on more than 10 billion Rwandan francs the U.S. has already contributed to fighting COVID-19, specifically in Rwanda. This funding is supporting infection prevention and control measures through the purchase of chlorine and sanitizing chemicals, social support for the most vulnerable Rwandans, medical and laboratory equipment needed in the treatment of critically ill COVID-19 patients, including things like ICU beds, oxygen concentrators, and soon, I believe today, even PPE just came in the airport yesterday.
These ventilators will be installed in 4 COVID-19 treatment centers and 10 hospitals across the country. Previously, Rwanda has 86 ventilators. Through the Minister of Health, Dr. Daniel Ngamije, the government of Rwanda appreciates this donation.
On behalf of the government of Rwanda, I want to express our sincere appreciation to the U.S. President, His Excellency Donald Trump, for his generosity and support to the Rwandan people toward the fight against COVID-19. We understand the donation of 100 ventilators as a result of a discussion between His Excellency President Paul Kagame and the President Donald Trump early this year. The donated respirators will be utilized to save Rwandan lives, where they will be deployed in different COVID-19 treatment centers across the country. This effort comes to complement the existing capacity of 86 ventilators available in the country, which means it is an immense contribution during the unprecedented moment we are all facing with COVID-19 pandemic.
The United States has already committed more than 11.4 billion Rwandan francs to Rwanda to fight and respond to COVID-19, covering medical equipment used in hospitals, accompanied with training and mentorship to doctors and nurses. Currently, the reported total cases in Rwanda are 1,963, whereas the active cases are 922 and 5 deaths. Globally, the cases have reached over 16.5 million and over 656,000 deaths. Jane Motoni reporting for RTV.